So, on this post today, I was asked, how do I manage my ad preferences? So, I thought I would show you. So, if you look at my post as an example, on the top right hand side over here, I have this over here where it says 7,000% return on investment opportunity. Ironically, that number has changed since I tried to record this the first time. So, a little bit of a concerning ad. Thousands of Britons are making £1,400 a day profit online. Now, ironically, that was £1,100 earlier. So I'm really annoyed with this ad, and I want to report it. So I can click on those three little dots over here, click on Ad Options, and I can go. I think it's annoying or not interesting, or I've seen the same ad too often, or I think something else. Um, so I can go and report this, but I wanted to show you something else, which is really something I think will be useful to you. So if you click on Manage Preferences, it's going to take you to the Help page. If you then click on Manage Your LinkedIn Ad Settings, you will be able to go to the shortcuts over here and click LinkedIn Ad Settings again, and it's going to take you to your own settings. Now, there is another way of doing this, which is a lot simpler, which is on your profile, just clicking on your picture and going to settings and scrolling down to where it says advertising preferences. So as an example on here, if you go into this little section over here that says interest categories, you click on that, you are going to find most people would have their default down to include specific interest categories, and it's going to have everything. And you'll see there are tons of these tabs. So you are going to be opted in for almost anything and everything, and it's going to be lots of irrelevant stuff. So if you are into accounting, as an example, accounting software, you can go and click on all the others and disable them, or you can just click that off, and it will take up to 48 hours to make those changes. Hopefully that's useful, but this is a great way of you getting rid of all those pesky ads that come up on your profile. So I wish you a fantastic day and best of luck on LinkedIn.